we're back with Jake in part 2. We've done the parallel park, and we're going to do a forward bay park now. So when you're on your driving test, what they're going to do is drive into a car park. As you drive into the car park, they're going to say to you, we're entering a car park, I want you to do a forward bay park to the right or left, parking in the white lines, in between the white lines, and then they're going to rush you to reverse out. So drive along here, you can drive around the car park and pick a space that's easy for you. Only advice I'd say to you is pick an easy one. Don't pick one next to cars if you can help it. You know, why make an hard one?
Yeah.
Okay with that?
Yeah. Okay.
In your own time. And we'll just see how we get on.
Forward.
Just forward bay park, yeah, on the right or the left, whichever you prefer, as long as it's an empty space. Finished?
Yeah.
Yeah. Secure the car second. Always secure the car so that you roll backwards. Yeah, it's in. It's in.
Indicator.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say to you. Because you're going to go to the left or right, just check your mirrors, see what's behind you, and show signal, I suppose. So, because if you're going to go to, if you're going to do a left one and you're going to go to the right to come left, mirrors signal. If you're on the left side and you want to go across to the right, check your mirrors. If anyone around, stick a signal on.
Yeah.
So if we pop it in reverse and reverse to our left, yeah.
Yeah.
And we'll just remember your mirrors. Just straight away, you notice your mirrors.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. As soon as I pulled into the thing,
yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Good observations. So yeah, just drive off. You can do it on this bay. You can do it around there, wherever you want to do it. Just remember to look round when you're moving off, make sure there's nothing around you. But that's before you move off, that is. Are you happy? Or does it need straightening up or anything?
Do it straightening up.
Yeah, it's a little bit tight on the left, isn't it? That's it, keep looking round. Okay. So if we reverse out of here and then we're finished off this manoeuvre, we'll have a quick chat about the rights and wrongs.
That's what we're doing?
Just reverse out of the space. We'll face that way when we're finished.
Oh, okay.
And then just drive forward, straighten yourself up and pull over for a second. That's it. And then just pull over on the left here. That'll be fine there. Because there's no one in there, right? It's the compromise then, isn't it? Do you leave it slightly pointed, touching the white line, and hopefully that you're going to pass? And some examiners will say to you, are you happy leaving it there? Because they can't tell you, but they might drop an in if you look at it. Some examiners say nothing, they'll just have a quick look and just say you finished.
Right, okay.
But the best thing to do then was, like I did, pop it in reverse, look round, bring yourself out of the bay, and then go forward and correct it. You'll pick up a fault, but at least you go past it.
So if you shunt it, you're going to pass, but you're getting a fault.
It's called a control fault because it didn't go in first time, but it's better to do that than leave it close to the end of the bay where it's tight, and you'll definitely pick up a fault, maybe get a serious, depends how close it is, depends how much on the line it is really. But you won't leave it like that normally if you after you pass your test, so why leave it like that normally?
Yeah.
Anyway.